Something about the scalp being a little bit dirty makes kind of shields your scalp from the chemicals. Don't know why, don't ask me, I don't know. But yeah, so hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rita and thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. So today's video is going to be me showing you how I retouch my hair. More like retouch because my hair is already relaxed. I grew out my hair and cut out my my bleached part because I wanted to go back to Pixie and I wanted my hair to be back to plain black. So yeah, I'm retouching my hair. I am 6 weeks post relaxer. I did relax my hair when I was in Nigeria, but I wanted to relax my hair again. I'm going to be using the olive oil relaxer. This is the one that I'm used to. I really like how this works with my hair. All the times that I was in Pixie, before I went natural again, this is the relaxer that I've always used. If I'm out or if they don't have this, I always do the just for you or just for me, the one for the kids. It always works because it's really gentle. But then my hair is not coarse. My hair is normal to fine. So I always use the normal strength. There is another strength, extra strength. I don't know if there's a stronger one than that. So if your hair is more coarse than mine, then you probably want to go with the normal strength, with the higher strength. I feel like because my hair is so short, I can go with I can use one pack twice. So I'm just gonna divide this like into 2 equal parts and see how that goes. So I think I have equal parts. So this is what I have left and this is what I have in my bowl. I've had this rubber or plastic bowl or mixer thing for a long time. It's very, very cheap. It's not expensive. If I'm not looking at the instructions, it's because I've done this so many times, so I know what to put in my relaxer. This is the activator. Very important. For me, I like to apply relaxer with my hands. It's faster and I can get everywhere that I want to get real fast. Mix. It says to mix for 1 minute to avoid like clumps or lumps, and just make sure everything is well mixed before you continue. Apply some kind of oil, if it's what do you call it, olive oil or Vaseline or something, some kind of pomade. Apparently it helps if the relaxer touches your skin and it doesn't burn. So I have a few tips for when you are relaxing your hair, especially by yourself, especially when your hair is short or even long hair. First things first is that you want to make sure that if you are retouching your hair, you want to make sure that you are retouching just the root of the hair and not all the way to the top in the beginning. If you feel like you want it to touch the top, then you want to make sure that that is the last place that the relaxer is touching, because it's going to, the top is already relaxed and just putting this is just going to damage your hair and it probably would follow. Everywhere that you have short hair, like your edges, and for me the back is actually pretty short, you want to do that the last also. You want to start with the places where you have more hair and then go to the back, especially your edges. You don't want to start from your edges because they're so short and they're so thin sometimes. So of course the chemical is going to act faster in those areas and then you're going to burn your edges and it's not good for you. My third tip is that use everything you're going to be using, from mixing to combing your hair to dividing the hair. Please use plastic, do not use iron. or any other material, plastic or wood, because the material is going to react with any kind of metal or something, and it's not good. So use plastic all the time or wood. If you want to and you don't have something like this, they always put this to mix the relaxer with, and I think you can always just use that to apply if you're not using your hand, but you definitely have to use a rubber part to divide your hair. So I'm gonna start in the middle where I have more hair, and then I'm gonna walk my way out where I have shorter hair, so if that makes sense, okay? Also, don't be like me. You can put a towel on your neck so that any fallout can actually fall on the towel or something you're not using. So I have done the first step, applying to the roots in the areas that are longer, and I applied at the back of my head. Now I'm just gonna go second step and basically apply again and comb through. I would first comb through. When I get to the areas where I have longer hair and I don't need relaxer on the longer part, I don't comb all the way through. I just kind of comb from the middle to just setting my clock to about 6 minutes because I feel like my hair is short, so I really don't need a lot of processing time, and I count the processing time from the time that I already started like applying the relaxer. That way I don't overdo it and I don't burn myself. Something about the scalp being a little bit dirty makes kind of shields your scalp from the chemicals. Don't know why, don't ask me, I don't know. But yeah, so I'm just kind of doing some final retouches to my edges because you don't want a relaxed hair without your edges being relaxed, because that's the whole point of being relaxed, you know. So I washed out my hair and I left it for about 6 minutes, and then I washed it out. It started to hurt a little bit. I really love the smell of this of the conditioner, and it does a good job on the relaxed hair. And then it includes incredibly rich oil moisturizing hair lotion. It is infused with castor oil for strengthening. So I'm going to apply that and see how this works on the scalp. No, so easy to. I don't have a scissor close to me, please. So the next thing I'm going to do is style my hair. I'm just gonna go through these. You're just gonna watch me do it. I don't want to talk too much because I feel like when I'm talking while I'm doing it, I can be slower and I will talk a lot more than I should. So I use this cream of nature with argan oil from Morocco. It is the Style and Shine Foaming Mousse. Now this one is my favorite styling mousse. I don't use any other one but this one. The first thing I do is to find my pattern where I want to pat my hair. This one is from Isana Hair Professional. It is a hair oil that has argan oil in it, and also it is heat protectant, and it helps to keep strengthening your hair. So I use this on my hair before, even though it's supposed to be for my wigs. I use it sometimes on my own hair when I'm trying to kind of keep it looking shiny and nice. Now I have two hair straighteners. These are all from the Kiss by Red company. I have the pencil one, which is, I think it's okay, so this is the 1/2 inches, and this one, I'm not so sure how many inches this one is. I can't remember, but I will link everything in the comments, in the description bar below, so you can see, you can kind of link and see what you want. So I am going to change the direction of the hair a little bit. It's going to go back, but aside from that, everything else is going to stay the way it is. This thing heats up really fast. so this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching till the end of the video. I hope that you picked up something or you learned something. And if you have any questions about any of the products that I used or any of the processes that I use, I would love to hear it in the comment section and tell me what you think about my hair. And also let me know if you intend to go Pixie like me. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.